bit of a chat while I'm enjoying these Twistys. Talk about something I found very inspirational recently. Come home from work, checked on YouTube, and there was a live coverage of a world record skateboard drop-in event done by Red Bull. You know, this guy dropped in 70 meters on his skateboard. But the reason this was of interest to me, because the guy doing it was 50 years old, not just turned 50. He did 4 separate heights, one at a time. Just the way he abseiled over the side of the build, he would have been scary enough. He sat on these little perches and then just dropped in. I'm not a big skateboard fan. I still play Tony Hawk Skateboarding 2 on the PlayStation 1, but I haven't actually ridden one since I was about 12 years old, I think. It was really good to watch him though, the focus he had. He was very methodical the way he went about it. Checked everything, just took his time, focused, and then just did it. Didn't fuck around too much. Oh, look at this, 35. Beautiful. That WR front end handles the roads really well. It might look like I've set this bike up just for off-road use, but it handles the road great. The only thing that limits it is the tyre choice. The tyres actually feel really good on this surface. There's no wobble or anything in the front end. These forks are so much better than the V-Stroms. It's a bit hard to hang off the side of the bike with those bags on the crash bars. Just there, my knee hits them when I lean over too far. Beautiful. There, you just feel those tyres starting to weave a bit. Pushing just a little too hard. At least they give you warning.